If you want to control your mind, then remember, be the master of the mind. You should be master of your mind. You should not be slave of your mind, or you should not be servant of your mind. If you are master of your mind, then you can control your mind. So remember, first of all, be the master of your mind. Don't allow your mind to do any wrong work. Allow your mind to do always good things, always good works. Then you can control your mind. So what you need to do? You need to order your mind. You don't listen order of your mind. Give order to your mind, from which you can become the master of your mind. If you want to control your mind, then you should not allow to enter negative thoughts in your mind, because as soon as you create negative thoughts, then you go in depression, you go in tension, you go in anxiety. That's why you should not allow to enter negative thoughts in your mind, because as long as we think negatively, we can't get success. That's why we should always think positively, and we should never think negatively, because negativity is our enemy. That's why in our mind we shouldn't allow to enter negativity, because it may destroy our future. As long as we think about our past, whatever happened wrong in our past, then we always regret. So I want to suggest you, if you want to control your mind, you should not allow to enter any negative thought in mind. If you want to control your mind, then you should be busy in good activities, because when we do good tasks, when we do good activities, then we feel energetic, we feel positive. That's why we should always be busy, we should always be engaged in good activities, because in good activities we don't think negatively. In good activities, negative thoughts don't come in our mind. That's why it is said that empty mind is a house of devils. That's why we should always think good, we should always be busy, because busyness makes us very nice person. Whenever, as long as we are busy, we don't have any negative thoughts. We should always think positive, and we should always think good, because thinking is everything. If you think nicely, then every nice thing is going to happen with you. If you think badly, then every bad thing is going to happen with you. So always think positively, because positive things make us energetic. Positive things make us positive. That's why we should always think positively, and in this way we can also control our mind. Guys, Jai Hind. Guys, today's video is going to be very knowledgeable for all of you. Why? Because in this video we will discuss about a very important topic. Then guys, what is that topic? Look at how to control the mind. Then guys, in this video we will discuss how to control the mind, because so many people want to control their mind, but they are not able to control their mind. What is the reason behind of this? I will tell you in this video. So please don't skip the video. Watch the video till the end. Then guys, you must be thinking, why can't we control our mind? Why so many people cannot control their mind? What is the reason behind of this question? So many people think that why their mind is not on their control. They think, then what to do from which we can control our mind? I will tell you in this video. What is the first point to control the mind? Be the master of the mind. What is the first point, guys? be the master of the mind. Then guys, so if you want to control your mind, first of all, be the master of your mind and don't allow your mind to order you. Instead of ordering you, you should order to your mind. So what is the first point? To control the mind. First of all, we should become the master of our mind. If we become the master of our mind, then we can control our mind. It means we should control our mind. We should give order to our mind. We should not listen order of our mind. It is the first point, because negative thoughts destroys our future. That's why we should always think creative. What is the third point? Busy in good activities. Busy in good activities. As soon as we become free, we start thinking something other. That's why what we need to do, we need to engage our mind in good things. We need to engage our thoughts in good things, because as we have a lot of work in the life, we have a lot of work. That's why we should always be busy. We should not let us what in free time. We shouldn't allow ourselves to be free, because as soon as we become free, we think negatively. And if you don't have any work, you must be thinking, sir, we have also free time. Everybody has free time. So in free time, think your good memories. Whatever happened with you in past, good thing. So think good things in your life. Don't think negatively. So if you want to control your mind, then you should always be busy, because busyness makes us positive person. But we should be busy in good activities, not bad activities. So always keep engage yourself in any task, because whenever we do any work, we don't think about other things.